Imagine a place where history whispers through the crumbling walls, yet the beauty of its past is overshadowed by neglect. This is the reality facing Baile Herculane, one of Europe's oldest spa towns, where graffiti stains the once majestic thermal baths. But here's where it's controversial. A group of passionate young architects is stepping up to breathe new life into this picturesque Romanian resort, a destination that once attracted emperors seeking its healing waters. Oana Kirila, a 31-year-old architect, reflects on the allure of Baile Herculane, saying, "Someone once said that if you drink water from the spring from Herculane, you never leave." Her first encounter with this enchanting town, nestled in the mountains of southwestern Romania and divided by a river, was purely serendipitous 8 years ago. However, her admiration for its beauty was quickly tempered by the shocking reality of its dilapidated thermal baths. Kirila's restoration initiative is part of a broader movement among civil society to protect Romania's historical landmarks. Alarmingly, around 800 of these monuments are in a state of severe decay, with some on the brink of collapse, posing serious safety risks to the public. The Neptune Imperial Baths, built in 1886, once welcomed esteemed guests seeking the therapeutic benefits of its warm sulfur waters. Notable visitors included Emperor Franz Joseph of Austria and his wife Elizabeth, affectionately known as Sisi. Franz Joseph himself hailed Baile Herculane as Europe's most beautiful spa resort. Today, however, the baths are closed, their interiors marred by graffiti, debris strewn across the floors, and rainwater leaking through the ceilings. Despite the deterioration, curious tourists often stop to admire the long, rusted facade, some even peering through broken windows to catch a glimpse of the interior. Currently, Cirila and her team of volunteers are limited to conservation efforts on the exterior of the baths. Full restoration is hindered by ongoing legal disputes between local authorities and private owners, leading to a constant fear of collapse. Most of the historical monuments are in their current state, meaning constant decay, because they are legally blocked, she explains, which prevents access to public or European funds for restoration. For now, visitors can enjoy 3 refurbished sulfur water basins along the riverbank, which Cirila affectionately refers to as little bathtubs. Her team has also built changing booths and wooden pavilions, contributing to several projects aimed at revitalizing the town. In recent years, Baile Herculane, which has a population of 3,800, has seen a steady rise in tourism. Local officials report that approximately 160,000 tourists visited in 2024, a significant increase from 90,000 in 2020. Many visitors come not only for spa treatments but also for hiking and climbing adventures. Ora Zidarita, a 50-year-old doctor, expressed her optimism about the town's future, stating, "The resort has changed, and she believes it can once again shine as a pearl of Europe." What do you think? Can Baile Herculane reclaim its former glory, or is it too late for this historic gem? Share your thoughts in the comments.